What is up, everybody? It's Buzzcut Wellesley back with another quarantine video. So this might be a little bit of change of scenery for you guys, so you might ask, where are you at? Well, I'm at my dad's new house. I had dinner with them last night and spent the night. So, gonna be kind of doing a little bit of a walkthrough of this house and showing you some of the cool things about the house, some of my favorite spaces, and probably the best part about this house. So, let's get to it. Alright, room number one. My new room. Got all new furniture. It's pretty legit. This bed is huge, by the way. I'm about like 6'3", 6'4", and it comes up to my hip just to get to the top of the bed, so that's pretty crazy. This room's nice. It's kind of back in the back corner, secluded away from my dad's old house. I still have my bunk bed as a kid growing up, so it's nice to kind of get some more new adult furniture. So this room is really cool. I really love it. So this is pretty much my room. Let's head to the next part of the house that I want to show you guys. Alright, next room, we're going downstairs. We have the full media room. Our TV over there with the sound bar, subwoofer, surround sound. We got these nice big puffy couches down here. Super nice. It's also my dad's office over here. Still getting the bar set up down here, over here. I got the bike, make sure you gotta stay fit in these times. But it's cool down here, I like it. We come down here a lot for our movies, get the walls rattling a little bit. Let's go back upstairs and show you guys the rest. Alright, so another cool thing about this house, about to show you guys it right now. In 3, 2, 1. There's a dog here! There's a dog! There's a dog. Look at him. Look at him. Don't tell my cat. He'll be jealous. I'm not cheating on him. But, everybody, this is Teddy. Look at him. Aw. Somebody's tired. But, he's my stepmom's dog. He's a collie. He's like 6 years old. Don't be afraid of him. He might act tough. He might bark at you. But on the inside, he's just a soft, loving little puppy dog. Isn't that right, Teddy? Yeah, I mean, just look at that. Look at that. He's cool. I like him. Look at him, he's so tired. Alright, then last but not least, probably the coolest thing that we added to this house since moving in. It's actually outside, so let's head out there right now. Alright, so here we are outside. About to reveal this to you guys. Don't think you're ready for it. Shebang! It's a hot tub. This is one of the good ones. They spent a lot of money on it. But, nevertheless, it's a great addition to the house. Whoa. Hopefully that didn't get all blown out right there. I'm actually about to go in it right now. I haven't been in it yet. They've had it for maybe like 2 or 3 weeks already. Let's get some B-roll going to the rest of the house. Alright, got my swim trunks on. Got my towel here ready to go. All I gotta do is get this cover up and over, get the jets going, and we're hitting that hot tub, baby. Let's do it. Looks like Teddy wants to come outside too. Watch out, boy. Ready, ready. Go, 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 go. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, man, it's a little chilly out right now. Oh, let's get this done. Latch that. Another latch here. This goes up like so. I think you just throw it, hopefully. Oh boy. Okay. Hit this button. That is the jet button. Get those jets going. That going. Oh yeah. Let's go. It's gonna be sick. Grab this. Just kind of toss her back. Like so. Oh, baby. This is gonna be great. Woo, woo, woo! Whoa! Thing spat at me. But wow, guys, my GoPro battery's about to die. What a rookie mistake. But holy smokes, this is amazing. Can't go wrong with it. I'm gonna enjoy the crap out of this, man. Feels great. I got probably 6 jets going up and down my back right now and on my neck. This is great. It's super sunny, so I'm probably super squinty right now. I'll finish up this video once I'm out and I get back inside. See ya. Alright, everybody, as you see, I'm all freshened up, cleaned up, out of the hot tub. So that's gonna do it for this video. It's done. It's over. Make sure to give this video the thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.